So I saw this product blowing up on my TikTok feed. I'm talking video after video, every single scroll. My first thought as a dropshipper wasn't, oh, that's cool. It was, how much money is this store actually making? Because here's the thing, when you see a product trending online, most people just watch it. But dropshippers look at it differently. We see a potential business. And now with the right tools, you can find out exactly how much a product is selling for, the amount of sales it's bringing in every single month, and what its ads look like. So in this video, I'm gonna show you my exact process for finding winning dropshipping products in 2026. We're gonna take the trending product I just found, give you guys a full breakdown, pull up the sales chart, active ads, competition, landing pages, and I'll even show you how to find a supplier. Then we're gonna flip it and use the same exact tool to find trending $50,000 a month products from scratch. This is the full product research workflow I use every single day. So let's get right into it. All right, so here's where this started. I was scrolling TikTok and this product just kept coming up over and over again. Now, I'm not going to assume this is worth selling just because it looks cool or it has a lot of likes. Likes don't pay the rent. What I wanna know is there real buying intent here? Is there actually money changing hands? And if so, how much? But the mistake most beginner dropshippers make is they pick products based on what they personally think is cool or what has the most views on TikTok. But viral doesn't always mean buyers. You need actual data. So the first thing I do when I see something trending is I don't get excited. I go verify instead. And let me show you exactly how I do that. All right, I'm inside Zik Analytics. If you haven't used this before, essentially it's a product research tool that pulls the sales data from other Shopify stores. So that way you can see what's currently working and how much these other stores are making. I'll leave a link for you guys down below in case you want to follow along, but I'm gonna start by heading over to their Shopify store sales tracker. Then right up here in this little search bar, you're gonna paste the URL from whatever store you want to look up. So I'll go to that Shopify store we found on TikTok, I'll go to the top of the page and grab their URL, and then I'll go back to Zik, we'll paste it right up here, and we'll go ahead and search the store. So it's gonna pull up all of the information for this brand right here, Vika Beauty. We can see they're a one product store with over 600 sales and $72,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. We can pull up their sales chart right here and see that their sales are pretty consistent for the most part. They're making between $3,000 and $4,000 every single day. We'll exit out of there, and if they had any active ads running right now, you'd see them right here. So you can track their Meta ads, their TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, or whatever platforms they're running on. Same thing right here for their social channels. But I think this brand is doing these sales entirely through TikTok Shop affiliate, so they actually don't have any active ads or any social channels running right now. So it's a bit harder to take a look at brands when this is the case, but you can just take a look at all of their affiliate pages on TikTok to see exactly how they're promoting their products. Now, one thing you really want to pay attention to with these sales charts is how consistent they are. Are they increasing, decreasing, staying flat? Because there's a huge difference between a product that's been hot for 6 months and is still climbing versus one that peaked 3 months ago and is on its way out. You always want to see consistency or growth, and a couple choppy days like this aren't the end of the world. Sometimes they'll turn their ads off for a day and readjust, or sometimes there's tracking issues within Zik. So you have to take these with a grain of salt. But overall, their sales are pretty consistent. Now we can take a look right here and see that this brand is actually selling this product for $119 or around $120. So let's see how much we can actually source this product for. Because I found a product with real data, so now I need a supplier. And this is the part that most people get wrong, because they randomly search on AliExpress, order the first listing, and wonder why they have quality issues and 30-day shipping. Zik actually has a built-in supplier finder that helps you find the best suppliers on AliExpress. Let me show you how it works. So you go ahead and find the product that you want to look up, and then you're going to click on this little AliExpress icon down here in the corner, and it's going to use AI to find the best AliExpress suppliers for whatever product you want to look up. Now, because we're using AI, these searches aren't perfect. You're going to get random products thrown in here like this shower head or this shower head right here because it looks very similar. But all things considered, we're finding really good suppliers for the exact product we want to sell. So you guys can see right here that we can get it on AliExpress for around $84. And honestly, that price right there is way too high, even when we're selling it for $120, because you guys want to look for at least 50 to 70% profit margins for every product you sell. And we can actually get this cost much lower by finding a private supplier instead. Once you validate a winning product, meaning you're making consistent sales or you've proven the demand, the move that actually changes your margins, shipping speed, and helps you build a full brand is going from a generic AliExpress supplier to a dedicated private supplier. And here's what this actually looks like. With AliExpress, you're essentially ordering retail. one product at a time from a Chinese marketplace. There's zero customization, the packaging is very generic, and you have no control over the pricing or quality. With a private supplier or a 3PL like Fulfillman, which is what I recommend when you actually start making sales, you're operating completely different. Fulfillman is a 3PL sourcing and fulfillment company that handles the entire back end of your store. You bring them the product you want to sell, they source it directly from manufacturers in China, do quality checks before anything ships, handle custom packaging if you want to build a brand, and fulfill orders directly to your customers worldwide. Automatically sync to your Shopify store. So instead of hoping your AliExpress supplier doesn't send a broken product in a beat up box with 25-day shipping time, you have a real business partner with skin in the game that's actually accountable to you. The shipping times drop, the quality goes up, the refund rates drop, and your customer experience, which is what separates stores that scale from stores that die, goes from okay to perfect. So if you're at the stage where you found a winning product and you're ready to actually scale it, this is the next move you need to make. I'll leave a link for Fulfillman in the description below so you can check out what they have to offer and get in touch with their sourcing team. That'll take you to this page right here where you can select Get a Free Quote. From there, you'll just fill in a little more information about your brand and the products you sell, and they'll get back to you with an accurate quote right away. Now, Fulfillment goes the extra mile. They have custom branding options so you can put your logo on your products, on your packaging, on thank you cards, or anything else you need to. And they also have an in-house photography team that can take custom photos and videos of any product you sell. That way you can use them on your website, on your landing pages, and your social media, on your ads, or wherever else you need them. And thanks to the hundreds of different shipping lines that Fulfillment works with, they can get you your own private line of logistics. That way you can ensure all of your products are delivered within 3 to 7 days or less. So if this is something you guys want to try out yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Fulfillment down below. All right, back to finding products because we're just getting started. All right, so we just verified a product that we spotted in the wild, but here's the thing, you can't always wait for inspiration to hit. What if you want to find winning products on demand? What if you want to sit down right now and walk away with 3 to 4 validated winning product ideas? That's exactly what Zix's Product Explorer is built for. Let me show you how I use it to find winning products that are doing $50,000 a month or more for other stores right now. So I'll go back to Zix, and this time I'll select their Product Explorer tool over here on the left-hand side. And you guys can look up certain keywords. So if there's a certain niche you're selling in or a certain product you want to look up, you can type it in right there. Then you can look up the product type. Are we looking for dropshipping products, one product stores, print-on-demand stores, or all three? What kind of ads do they have running? Are they focused on Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, or Pinterest? And then you can look up the country, language, currency, the actual sales date range, as well as the minimum and maximum amount of sales, revenue, and the price. So I'm gonna keep things simple. I just wanna go ahead and find dropshipping products and one product stores that are doing at least $50,000 every single month. I'll type all of that in and I'll click search. And just like that, all of these winning products right here are doing at least $50K a month for other stores right now. And most of these are doing significantly more. Like this one's doing $74,000 a month, $82,000 a month. This one's doing $194,000 a month. This one's actually doing almost $700,000 a month. And you're gonna find all different types of products. You're gonna find your dropshipping products, you're gonna find fashion and accessories, you're gonna find cosmetics and beauty products, supplements, pet products, home decor products, everything. You're even gonna find digital products like this one right here. But when you guys find a product that catches your attention, like for example, this weighted blanket right here, you guys can go ahead and analyze the store further. So we'll pull up the sales tracker for this product specifically. This is offered from Sutton Home Fashions. They're a one product store with over 400 sales and $112,000 in revenue over the last 30 days from just this blanket alone. So we can see they're selling it for over $279. And they're making around $5,000 every single day with it. So it's really good. Sales are very consistent right here for the most part. So we'll X out of there and we can see their entire focus right now is on Facebook. So all of their content and all of their ads right now are being ran directly through Facebook. So we'll take a further look at ads in just a moment, but let's go back to this list and take a look at one more trending product. So after spending some time scrolling on here, I came across this LED skin mask right here, and it's doing $110,000 a month for this brand specifically. And it was actually uploaded this month. So I'll pull up the sales tracker for this brand specifically. We're taking a look at the brand Cleopatra. They're a 3-product store. They just have 2 variations of that mask right there and then an upsell right here for the aftercare moisturizer. So altogether from the mask, they're bringing in around $200,000 a month, and then they're doing an extra $10K a month from that moisturizer. So altogether, this brand's doing $210,000 every 30 days. And that's 800 sales each and every month. So we'll pull up their sales chart. So this brand's making between $7 to $11 to $13,000 every single day with those 3 products down there. So I'll click on one of these product pages and we'll see exactly how they're structuring this. So here's their product page. They're selling it for $299. They have that sticky add to cart button that's gonna follow us all the way down this page. This is a really strong description. I really like the visuals, the brand colors, everything's cleaned up on here. They have a ton of social proof. They have a ton of content showing the product in action. They have UGC. They're just building trust with their customers throughout this entire page. They have experts on here showcasing these UGC videos from their so-called experts, and then just more information about the product and what's in it for the customers down here, and all of the reviews down here at the bottom. This is a well-structured, perfectly put together product page. And I can see why it's helping this brand do over $200,000 a month with this product right here. So this is another really good product to sell. If you guys build a product page, anything close to this one right here, you should be able to hit similar numbers yourself. So there's one more method that I wanna show you that most people aren't doing yet, and it's probably the most powerful one out there. All right, this is the section I was most excited to show you because this Adspy tool is brand new to Zik, and it completely changes the way you do product research. Because instead of starting with the product and trying to figure out if there's actually demand behind it, what if we started with the ads instead? What if you could look at all of the ads that are actively running right now on Facebook and Instagram, sort them by niche, and figure out which ones are the best performers for other brands right now? That's how you use Adspy. Let me show you how it works. Now, when a brand is continuously spending money to run an ad on Facebook or Instagram, that just means that this product is currently working, because nobody's gonna keep paying for ads for something that isn't converting. So ad spend is one of the best ways to find proven winners. So when you can see which ads are actively running, how long they've been running, and which products they're promoting, you have a real-time list of winning products that are working right now. So right up here at the top, you can start with keywords. You can type in a product, a niche, or even a pain point. And then you can look up specific advertisers or brands right here. Then you have a ton of additional criteria. You can look up languages, the country they're targeting, age groups they're targeting, the gender, which e-commerce channels they're running, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or others, what type of media they're running, whether it's image, video, or carousel ads, their call to action, and the actual ad duration or how long it's been running for. So I'm gonna leave this blank for now. So these are all the top ads that are running right now. We can actually sort this by, instead of creation date, let's sort this by ad duration instead. So all these ads you see right up here at the top have been running the longest, and it's actually gonna show you when each one was created. So these ads right here were launched in October of 2025. This one was launched in June of 2025. This one is actually launched last March. And all of these are still running right now, getting thousands of dollars in ad spend every single day. So every product you see right up here at the top has been validated by other brands because they're actively spending money to run these ads. And typically, I'm only looking for ads that have been running 30 to 60 days. So I'll go back up to the top and I'll filter by video ads specifically, because video ads typically perform the best for e-commerce, and they'll give you an inside look at what angles these brands are currently using. So we'll sort it by video. We'll sort ad duration, at least the last 30 days. For e-commerce channel, we'll select Shopify. We'll leave everything else blank and I'll click search. So here's all the top video ads for dropshipping right now. If any of these products catch your attention, like this little mini camera right here, you can click on it and analyze any of these stores that you want to. But right away, you can see when each ad was launched. This one was launched in March of 2026. You can see the actual ad copy that they're using to promote it. You can see which landing page each ad leads to and a link to the actual ad in the Facebook ads library. Then it's gonna show you all the targeting information down here, which countries they're actually targeting, the languages they're targeting, when each ad was created, started, and the last seen date. So this one right here has been live for over 66 days now, and it's still running for this brand. And that's promoting these mini action cameras that you can see right here, something that we've actually talked about on this channel many times in the past. So we can click on their landing page right here and see the exact product page they're using to promote these products. This one's pretty simple. There's really not much to this. It's kind of a low quality product page. I really don't like it that much, but it's obviously working for them if they've been running that same ad for over 2 months now. We can go back to this and actually see how much this store is making every single month like we did before. So I'll analyze this store, and the tracking actually just started on this one just a few days ago. So it's not accurate just yet, but from what we're seeing right here, this brand's doing around $700 every single day with this camera, or around $10,000 each and every month. And they have 12 products altogether. So it's not just that camera right there. They have other home products like this bath filter, some women's products, some tech products. They kind of sell a little bit of everything. But the camera specifically is making them around $1,200 every single month. I thought it'd be way more than that. But since we just started tracking this store, the sales probably aren't updated just yet. Look, there are two types of dropshippers. The ones who pick products based on vibes, launch them, get mediocre results, and wonder what happened. And the ones who do the research, listen to the data, and only spend money on products they know are proven winners. Everything I showed you today is how you become the second type. So if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of resources linked down below for you guys, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.